Welcome to Creations by Karen, and today we're going to make another Christmas craft. I know. But you know what? It's something that you can do ahead of time. Yeah. And the more you can get done ahead of time, the better. Because in the market here yesterday, you believe the stuff. I have some Christmas items here. Gone. So people are shopping for Christmas. It's kind of make ahead stuff. So we're going to do this. So you often go to craft shows and you get stuff for coworkers or friends or whatever. This is going to be something that you can get for kids, make for kids. I would say a youth. So this is what it looks like done. How cute is that? So inside it's got the 24 crayons. It's got a puzzle, 3D puzzle. I got that at Giant Tiger, Walmart in like early September, back to school stuff. Got a coloring book. Got some Hershey's Kisses. Done. Okay, let's make it, shall we, Anthony? Okay, we're gonna start out with bags. I got these at Clear Bags. Nope, I got them at Amazon. And I think it comes in like a package of 24 or 5. Works out to be like 60 cents a bag. So just do this, Anthony, and that opens up the bag. And it'll sit up when it's got stuff in it. Okay, let's load it, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got some stuff. So, like I said, I got these at Giant Tiger, which is this chain store in Canada. So it's a puzzle. It's got 100 pieces, which would be good for like not use, like use, yes, but nothing over like.
I'd still go, I really like that.
So we're gonna put this in, and I've got another one, and they're 3D. They're sort of cool looking. Garfield, right? So we're just gonna
Come on in, dog.
slip that in there.
Get in and make sure obviously it's the right way around.
What?
Go to play it. So you make sure it's the right
Make
way
sure
around.
it's, yeah, upright. Upright is good. So that's good. And then we each have a coloring book. I got these on Amazon. Which one do you want to put in? Okay. And so I want the 3D part at the front. So I'm going to stick this in the back. But before we put that in, I also have the box of crayons. And we're going to just put those crayons right here. And it fits perfect. And then we can slide our coloring book in, like so. And I'm not putting shred in there or anything because this is kids, and they don't care. They don't care about shred. Make it pretty, and it just gets all over the place.
Good morning, but Mrs. Sells 100 pieces. It's not good for me. Sorry, kiddos. 100 pieces.
All right.
Maybe 25 and big wooden block.
So I'm giving you a candy cane. They're out now. So this package of crayons have kind of a loop on it. So I don't want this candy cane to slide down. So I'm just going in here, and where it has a little split, I'm just sticking it in there like that. So it stays upright. And you can see there's candy cane in there. Make sure your crayons are front ways. See that? Are you struggling with your crayons?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Another thing I have are
Morning, Phyllis.
Hershey's Kisses. This is from the Dollar Tree. It was $2 for Hershey's Kisses, and I've decided 4 would be appropriate. 4 Hershey's Kisses. You don't like Hershey's chocolate? Well, you can give them to Sherry. So just And what I think is a good idea, 4, and I got, oops, 3, 4, another one. And I like to just put it on this crayons where they sit up nice.
I like Cadbury's
Cadbury what?
chocolate.
Okay. Look at those Hershey's Kisses just sit so pretty up there. And then I have some small Velcro dots. So we're going to put, see how this, like I said, I'm not putting any shred in here. So I close the center tab and fold these sides in like that. Now, you don't have to do this part. I do, only because I'm a little OCD. So I just take my Velcro and I just put it on here. So this closes like that. See that? Fun is that? Do the same to the other side.
The body from Ohio.
There we go. Do they have to be perfect? No, they don't have to be perfect.
But you
Nothing
can-
in life is perfect.
You know what? This is that easy. You can do it in your pajamas.
You could.
Yeah.
Talking about jams. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All done. But of course, let's jack it up, shall we? Here's my garbage bag. So, I made these tags, and it says what it has in it. Holiday activity kit. Your kit includes 3D puzzle, coloring book, and sweet treats. I didn't mention that it has crayons. It's painfully obvious. There's one for you. And I put double-sided tape on the back of it. And we're going to take that double-sided tape off. The double-sided tape in a square. And you could just peel it off the way you want, or use a picker. This one came with my Cricut. So we're talking loud because there's a bit of noise here at the market. That's okay. It's a market, yeah? And then where it has the 3D part here, I'm sticking it on there like so. Okay? So it just tells you what's inside. All right. Got some, what do you think? Yeah, looks good. Got my Starbucks. Oh,
You do have Starbucks.
spilled it.
I should just disappear and get some.
After we're done, yeah, do you have tissue in your booth? Yeah, would you mind? Thanks, Anthony. I got these at Dollar Tree. They're out now. Just tags. And just pick a tag that looks good. It's got some tape on the back here. Let's take that tape off. They don't want you to go off on these. There we go. One for me, one for Anthony. There we go. Anthony's cleaning up for me. Now where we're going to put this is sort of here. But all I'm going to do is take this and curl it a bit. And then put some tape around it so I can affix it to here. I'm going to put a bow on here so you're not going to see it. Yes, we get to make a bow. Exciting, isn't it, Anthony? So it hangs down a
Where
bit.
did you do that then?
Make a curl. Grab a little bit of tape, just a little bit, Anthony. Right here. Is that a little? All right. I'll put it on for you. Right here. So just fix this around. That's not a little, but whatever. Come around with this. So it's just hanging down a little. These are kind of nice. They have a bead. I'll put that on their own side. Just having a moment and spilling my coffee.
Oh, go on with my little
What's that? Wow. I don't know why that is. Are you guys, are we jiggling on your end? Are we jiggling? Let me know. Can you do something? So look good there. Am I jiggling on there?
No, we're not jiggling now.
Okay.
I have, see, technical expertise.
Technical expertise. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then,
Hi, Dottie. Anyway. Oh, okay.
and there's a little bit, well, it's quite a bit here. Now, gonna make a bow. Fold your, this is kind of long, but just fold your bow and you're gonna put it over top of where you add the gift tag in. Like so. Just fold it in half and just make a pretty bow. All right. You want it on the other, like turn it around. Just make a pretty bow, guys. That's all I'm asking you to do. It's not rocket science. You don't even have, well, not today. Remember, the kids are going to rip this apart. Cute. And I'm just going to ducktail the ends.
It's already on? All right.
Yep. Let's make this pretty. Shall I fix it? Let's. Hang on. And this is just the way I do it. You can do it however way you want.
See, I was a technical.
Do you notice I've got a haircut?
No, not from yesterday. No.
My
Don't think the other one long hair yesterday.
my hairdresser watched live recently.
Right, you need a haircut?
Yeah,
Well, all right,
basically.
cheers.
So,
Right.
do you need to make an appointment? She said.
Probably say I need one now.
You be you, Anthony.
I always have them, yeah.
I'll tell Sherry. Make an appointment, Sherry.
I like it long with all of this.
Well, it is like edging on winter, although it's supposed to be really nice today.
30 degrees.
Nice. Like it. Reminiscent of Cuba.
In January, the first week. See you later.
Exciting. All right. Ta-da. What do you think, Anthony?
I think it's good.
Now, how much do you think you'd charge for that if you were selling it at a craft stick? Let's think about pricing, shall we? The crayons I got for $1. These books I got on Amazon, I think I got 24 and they were under $20, so I'm going to go with $1. The puzzle, regularly priced, were $3 or were $5. I got them for $3. So I got 3, 4, 5. Candy cane and okay, so maybe half total, and plus the bag, a little bit of ribbon. I'm gonna go $5. I have invested into this craft.
5, so like 10, right?
So let's double it. So I'm gonna go 10. What do you think? Let's hear.
Lynn is back. Lynn says 10 as well.
I think 10. Yeah, I think 10's a good price.
Yeah.
Would you spend $10 on this for a child?
Yeah, because you can go to the dollar shop and get something for $10, which is not as half as
Yeah, and I
half
think
as good as this.
yeah, I agree. And so I kind of I was kind of tossing around when I was thinking about what I wanted to put on the tag. I was thinking about a Christmas Eve craft, like a craft buck on a bag for kids. Like this Christmas Eve, kids are so excited. And I didn't want to put a lot of candy in here because they're going to be already on overload.
Yeah, well, you can always use like chloroform.
Okay. All right. You guys going to make this? You can get it all now.
Yeah. And it's a very easy, cheap, not cheap, we don't say cheap, do we? A very inexpensive
Inexpensive.
Christmas gift.
Yeah.
No.
So just to look around, see what's on sale. Get these bags on Amazon. They're great. They come in. This is small. There's mini, which are smaller, that I originally ordered for these, and they were too small. So I'm going to use them for like younger than like 5. So
Yeah.
the puzzle is for 5+. So I'm going to go under 5 treat bags for younger ones because I have 20 of them, or 25.
So, what is your theme for this year's Christmas stuff? Says
Candy Cane Lane. Yeah, I'm keeping it the same as last year, but going with the candy cane theme.
And Bonnie says, perfect Christmas Eve.
Perfect for Christmas Eve. Yeah.
Get them in the pajamas if they're not already digging them all day at Walmart. And
Yeah.
yeah, get them settled, wear this, have a bit of chocolate, right, get to bed.
No, they'll be too
Because he's
excited to
coming.
go to bed.
He's on his way.
He's on his way. But you gotta go to bed before Santa gets here. He won't come. Santa won't come if you don't go to bed early. He knows, man. All right, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Who's gonna make it? Give me a thumbs up if you're gonna make this, or a heart if you're gonna order this stuff. Look around now for your how you're gonna put stuff in it. It doesn't have to be exactly like this because you don't have a giant tiger in
It's
the
actually
States.
Christmas either, you can use it, kids could take. It's like you go into like a friend's birthday party, you can make them a gift.
Yeah, you can use it for birthday parties as well.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. Hope you have a great day. Love you all. Bye now.
Ciao.